Hello students, welcome to Chuck Understand MCQ Help. Let us discuss few questions on equilibrium expressions. So before going to solve the questions, let me explain how to write equilibrium constant. So let me take an example, that is nitrogen plus hydrogen gives ammonia NH3. So let us balance this equation, 3H2 and 2NH2. So equilibrium constant K is equal to the product of concentration of products upon the product of concentration of reactants raised to the power of its stoichiometric coefficients. So see here, the ammonia is the product here. So the concentration of ammonia raised to the power of 2 divided by nitrogen, and hydrogen raised to the power of 3. So this is the way of writing equilibrium constant. If there is any change in the reaction, like if the reaction is reversed or if it is multiplied by 2 or anything, what about the effect on equilibrium constant? So this is K, and some change is carried out, and what about the new K? So the change is, if the reaction is reversed, then the new K will be 1 divided by K. Second change, when the reaction is multiplied by 2, when the reaction is multiplied by 2, then K will be K square. Third one, if it is divided by 2, then it will be square root of K. If the reaction is carried out in 2 steps, or multiple steps, for the first one it is K1, second reaction the constant will be K2. Now what about the new K? It will be the product of K1 and K2. So try to remember this one so that you can easily solve the questions. So let us discuss the questions now. If the equilibrium constant for N2 and O2 gives 2NO is K, and the equilibrium constant for half N2 plus half O2 gives NO. So what is the change in this reaction? This is for 2 moles of NO and this is for 1 mole of NO. That means the entire reaction is divided by 2. So what about the new K? If the reaction is divided, then the new K will be square root of K, or you may say K raised to the power of 1 by 2. K raised to the power of 1 by 2. So this is your answer. Got it? So in this equation, what happened? The entire reaction is divided by 2. That's why the new K will be square root K, or K raised to the power of 1 by 2. Coming to the second question, the equilibrium constant of the following reactions. There are 3 reactions given here, K1, K2, K3, and you have to find out the equilibrium constant for the given reaction. Okay, so in order to solve this question, see here, first one, ammonia is on the product side, but in case of the given reaction, it will be on the reactant side. So simply reverse the first equation. So if you reverse the equation, then what happens to the new K? It will be 1 by K1. Got it? And coming to the second and third reactions, N1H2O on the product side, here also N1H2O on the product side. So no need to reverse this. But how many moles of H2O is there here? 3 moles of H2O. Here only 1 mole. So you have to multiply the equation by 3. First equation should be reversed and the third equation should be multiplied by 3. So what about K1? If the reaction is multiplied by 2, if it is multiplied by 2, it will be K square, and if it is multiplied by 3, then it will be K cube. So third reaction will be K cube, and it will be 1 by K. And coming to the second one, there are 2 moles of NO, 2 moles of NO. So no need to change this equation. So it will be K2 only. Now what about the K, new K of the ammonia plus oxygen gives N1H2O. Then K is equal to 1 by K1 into K2 K3. Sorry, K cube. K3 cube. K3 cube. This is your answer. So K2 K3 cube upon K1. Where is it? This one. So A is your answer. Got it? Coming to the next reaction, I will write the equations here. N2 plus O2 gives 2NO. This is K1. and NO plus O2, 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. This is K2, right? And our aim reaction is NO2 gives half N2 plus O2. So you need to find out nu K for this equation. So let us observe what are the changes carried out in first and second equations. Coming to the first equation, there are 2 moles of NO here and only 1 mole of N2. Here half mole of N2 is there. And moreover, nitrogen is on the reactant side, here is on the product side. So you have to reverse the equation, as well as it should be divided by 2. Okay, so 2 changes were carried out. So the new K1 will be 1 by K1 under root. Coming to the second equation, there are 2 moles of N2, that 2 on the product side. Here 1 mole of NO2 on the reactant side. So the same applies here. It should be reversed as well as divided by 2. So the new K2 will be 1 by K2 under root. Coming to this, the new K of the aim reaction will be product of K1 and K2. So it should be under root 1 by K1 into K2, or 1 by K1 K2, 1 by K1 K2 under 1 by 2. So raised to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by K1 K2 raised to the power of 1 by K2. Right? So this is the solution. So your option should be third option. See here, third one. So these are the few questions to try yourself. If you have any questions regarding these questions, please feel free to mail us or you may WhatsApp us. Thank you very much.